Hi everyone, this is Maisha here, and recently I came across a video where it was shown. So minus 5 plus 3 was solved as, so minus 5 was written as this way, and plus 3 plus written 3 times. So we know that minus plus, they both cancel out, minus plus again and again. So your final answer is actually written as minus 2. Yeah, so 1 2 and minus sign written like this. So the first thought that came to my mind, what if we had minus 100 plus 58? Do we have the time to actually draw 100 of minus signs and 58 of plus signs? No. So this is actually the math hack for you. These are not real rules in an ideal world. It will actually help you to solve problems like this. So let's have a look. Same signs you need to add. Same signs you need to add in your mind. Do we have the same sign here? Yes, we do. Minus and minus. So we need to add the numbers. So we simply just add the numbers. Ignore the signs for now. What's 23 and 11? So 23 plus 11, that's 34, right? But careful, your final answer should contain the sign of the biggest number. Which one of these two is the biggest number? 23, right? Yes. So 23, because it's negative, your final answer is going to be negative. Let's try to do this one. Do we have the same sign? Yes, we do. Minus 18 minus 3. So what's the thing that we need to do when we have the same sign? We need to add. So 18 plus 3, that's 21. And your final answer should contain the sign of the biggest number. Which one is the biggest number out of these two? 18, right? And 18 is negative. So your final answer is going to be minus 21. Okay? What about minus 15 and minus 2? Same sign. We need to add in our mind. 15 plus 2, that's 17. And your final answer, careful, should contain the sign of the biggest number, because 15 is our biggest number between these two, between minus 15 and minus 2. So we need to write it down as negative 17, because 15 is our biggest number. For example, another one, just to make sure that you guys are clear, minus 58. Now we know how to do it, right? Minus 58 minus 100. How would we do this one? So I know that I've got the same sign. Yeah, I need to add 58 and 100. So that's 158. What is it going to be the sign of the final answer? Let's see. Which one is the biggest number between 58 and 100? 100, right? So that means it's going to be negative 158. All right? Now let's have a look at the second rule. Again, this is not an actual rule, but it will definitely help you. It's a math hack that will definitely help you to solve problems like this. Okay, different signs, this time careful, you need to take away. And again, your final answer should contain the sign of the biggest number. Do we have different signs here? We've got a negative and we've got a positive. Yes, we have a different sign. So we need to take away. So remember, in your mind, you need to do the biggest number take away by the smallest number. Okay. So 30 take away by 25, that's just 5. Yeah. And your final answer should contain sign of the biggest number. Which one is the biggest number here? 30, right? Between these two. And 30 is positive. So that is plus 5. Minus 15 plus 7. I know that I have two different signs. In your mind, you need to do the biggest number take away by the smallest number. Which one is the biggest number? 15, right? So 15 take away by 7, that's just 8. Now, your final answer should contain the sign of the biggest number. Which one is the biggest number between these two? 15, right? So 15 is negative. That means your final answer is negative 8. Let's try and solve this one. 3 minus 18. Different sign. Because it's at the front, we don't really have a plus sign. I know that this is a plus sign, an invisible plus sign here. So that means plus 3 minus 18. We've got two different signs. We need to take away the biggest number, take away by the smallest. So 18 take away by 3, that's 15. Your final answer should contain the sign of the biggest number. Which one is the biggest number between 18 and 3? It's 18, and 18 is negative, so your answer is going to be minus 15, and that's correct. Now moving on, minus 4 plus 16. So different signs again, you need to take away biggest number, take away by the smallest in your mind. So 16 take away by 4, that's just 12. Your final answer should contain the sign of the biggest number. So 16 is my biggest number and 16 is positive. So that's plus 12. That's my final answer. Can you try to do this on your own and write down the correct answer in the comment sections, please, for me? 23 plus 5. Yeah? What is that? Thank you.